Attorney Jerry Edwin has revealed that over half a dozen individuals have found themselves entangled with the law after falling prey to this alleged scam. The scheme typically begins with online job advertisements that promise easy money.
Several persons have come to my office in recent days after they have been charged by the police for money laundering offenses. These offenses arise out of a scam that is run through the banks of Grenada.
The attorney described the typical encounter, which has been brought to his attention in an exclusive interview with GBN News.
The condition of this employment is that you would be paid in advance. So the unsuspecting Grenadian citizen, welcoming the opportunity for a second job, responds to the ad. And this person would receive in their bank account a payment between $10,000 and $15,000. You would then be called, and the employer, quote unquote, the employer says, I have just put $15,000 in your account. Take your first week's pay, $900. It ranges, from what I could see, between $900 and $1,500.
The scam involves the individual receiving a first salary installment and then being instructed to wire the remaining funds via money transfer to a specific address outside of Grenada. Highlighting the sophisticated nature of this scam, Edwin noted that the perpetrators not only have access to the victim's bank information, but also possess personal details, including home addresses and family members' names. This information is then used to threaten the individuals into complying with their demands.
The unsuspecting Grenadian is told, go to Western Union or MoneyGram, all over Grenada, Grenville, St. George's, and send this money to me in the United Kingdom. Send it to me in the United States. For the next salary you would get next month, we will do the same thing. One person came to me and they said, this is a scam. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to report it. And ladies and gentlemen, friends, the scam or scammers say to you, we know where you live. We know your family members. If you report this, you will be in physical danger.
He cautioned the public to be vigilant and avoid falling victim to these schemes, as they can lead to serious legal consequences. Edwin also urged those who have encountered such scams to report them to the relevant authorities immediately.
We really have to be concerned about this, and I urge people, if this ever occurs, report it immediately. Report it immediately to the police. Don't mind that you are being told personal information. They can't touch you, but they can scare you. And I think it is out of that fear that the victims find themselves ensnared by the law.
He said the situation has been brought to the attention of the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, which is responsible for detecting and preventing financial crimes. Efforts to reach out to the FIU for comments on this development have so far been unsuccessful. This is a developing story. GBN will bring more details as they become available. Reporting for GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.